Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to build a local ChatGPT, a semi-local version. You might have used ChatGPT before, but you might encounter a lot of issues when you use ChatGPT if you're on free version, such as you are getting standby, or if you have been blocked, or in some areas of the earth you might not be able to connect to ChatGPT. Or if you typed some inappropriate queries, your account might be blocked. So all these issues can be solved by using my way of creating a semi offline local ChatGPT. And it's called fake GPT. It's going to be completely the same as ChatGPT, but without issues. Let's give it a try with this local version. We can see that it's running really well. And because the data is completely extracted from the real ChatGPT, it's extracted from the ChatGPT server, so you will get the identical result from ChatGPT. And also you can see that if we go to the actual online version, you can see that I have been blocked because I am in a special area I'm not able to connect to ChatGPT freely. Okay, let's take a look of how to construct this local ChatGPT. First, we need to go to the Docker website. The Docker is a holder that can hold the virtual machine on Windows. You can install the Docker and run the Linux software just like in the Linux system, but without actually installing the virtual system on Windows. So let's go to docker.com, and you can see that we have multiple versions. We have Intel version, Apple with Intel chip, and we have the Apple with Apple chip, or we have the Linux version and we have the Windows version. So I'm on Windows 10 right now, so I'm going to download the Windows 10 version. Now I have downloaded the Docker on Windows. Let's install it. Okay, so this is the screen that I'm looking at right now. So I suggest you to keep the check marks over here. We're going to install WSL2, and we are going to add a shortcut. So now we are going to install. It's gonna take a while. We're going to fast forward. Now we have done the installation of Docker on our PC. So now we need to close it and restart our laptop or desktop. After we restart our PC, we need to open the Docker application. And this is the first screen that you are going to see. We are going to accept it. And then you can see that you are going to answer some questions. You can choose to skip, and then we are going to start the Docker engine. So this is what we see. When you see this screen, it means that you have successfully installed the Docker. Some of you might encounter this issue. It says an unexpected error was encountered while executing a WSL command. Common causes include access rights issue, blah blah blah. So usually it happens because that there's some mistakes in the setup of your computer's network. So we just need one command to fix this issue. Now go to command line. In the search bar, type cmd and then run it as an administrator. Okay, I'm going to close the Docker. And then you are going to use this command. The command is going to be shown on the command area, in the common area of my video. Okay, so just type this command, and then you better want to restart your computer and then restart your Docker to see if you can get in the Docker software. Now back to our command prompt in administrator mode. So we type this command, docker pull. We're gonna pull the Pandora into our local machine. And we're going to wait it a bit for it to download all the code. Okay, now it has been done. So we are going to run another command to be able to run it on our machine. Okay, so now it's done. We go back to here and you can see that the Pandora project has been installed on our local machine. And then go to this area. It's called 127.0.0.1, and then the port number is 8899. So we're going to change it to 8899, and then you can see that we are back in our local version ChatGPT, and I'm using my own account. So let's try it again. Let's try to solve a problem. Let's say so explain me Fibonacci heap. There you go. You are able to run ChatGPT on your local machine. And if I'm not using the local version, if I would try to access the online version, you can see that I'm still being blocked. Okay, so that's it for how to install ChatGPT on your own machine and without encountering many issues on the web version. Thanks everyone. I hope my video helps you. Thank you. One last thing. As I mentioned before, you need to log in your own ChatGPT account every 14 days. To log in on your local version, you need the access token. So now go to the website that's listed in the common area to copy your token. And my token will look something like this. So you're going to paste your token over here and then click OK. And as you can see, you are able to log back in.
Nice.